First nice strong target, a bit of copper pipe. Big signal. See the next. Next target we got looks like a spoon, the ball bit of a spoon. There's a special word for it, I forgot what it is. But yeah, I found the handle the other day, so maybe that's part of it. Most probably, but there's been more than one picnic, I suppose. Anyway, as you can hear that beeping there, I'm going to dig that one now, so I'll see you in a minute. For the next signal we've got a padlock, stainless steel. Big chunk that, innit? Right, see you we just got a 1950 2 shilling, so that's nice. See the next. A 1927 George V. It's a nice coin. Yeah, Gaz is scanning and I'm digging. He's on fire, he's getting a few coins, is he? Anyway, we'll see the next. Well, Gaz has just sketched this bit of patch of land and we've got a 4 coin spill out of it. We've got a 1906 1 penny, a 19... I think it's 40, is it 46? I'm not sure. A 46 penny, a 1943 ship halfpenny, and a 1933 half a penny. These are supposed to be worth something, aren't they, the 1 pennies? I think there's only a few made. I'm not sure about half pennies though. I think they're quite numerous. Somebody will know anyway. You never know, could be in the Bahamas next week. Anyway, off to the next. Well, we've waited a while for this signal, but it's a lighter. Pretty smart, look. That bit's broke off. It's actually broke that bit, but I'll just put it down. But yeah, it's a lighter. There's the fill up bit there. Nice little find. Off to the next find. I think it's a part of a buckle. A fancy woman's buckle maybe, with a little clip on the back. Must have hinged like that and clipped in. Nice find though. Off to the next. Well, next signal we just had some dinner. 1863 Victoria. So that's a nice find. Anyway, on to the next. Well, for our next signal we've got a piece of copper type metal and it's got a patent number on it, 256013, and it's got something like, at the top it's like 4.0.R.100. So I don't know what that could be, but it's got a bit of a recess along the top, as you can see there, that little bit of a line. But yeah, that's interesting. I wonder what that can be. Anyway, I'll see you at the next target. The next couple of signals, I've got a buckle, another buckle. I'm happy about that, that's nice. And a smooth disc coin. Well, I'll clean it up when I get home. But yeah, I'm happy about that. We're just taking it in turns now. I'm doing 3 digs and Gaz is doing 3 digs, and we're having a non-forest competition and I'm winning 3-1. Anyway, I'll see you at the next. Guys, we've got a thrift threepenny bit and a little dainty, maybe, I don't know if it's a lady's buckle. It's quite an oval shape, but there's something else down there, so I'll come back at you in a minute. See you in a minute. I did say I'd get some silver today. In 1920 something, I can't quite make it out. George V. Is it? 1 shilling. See you at the next. In 1965 ship halfpenny. See you at the next. Sun's setting now. Over there. Just behind them trees. So, and midges are attacking me. I'm getting battered off midges. Motorbike's out. But I've had a signal and I've got an Elizabeth II 1 penny 1963, so yeah, that's alright. Right, let's move on. We've got a spoon. It says chromium something, nickel something, Sheffield. I think it's a modern one. Right, see you at the next. Well, we got another coin. It's a George. Can't make out what it is, it's a bit cruddy, I'll have to clean it up. But I'll see you at the next. Hello everybody and welcome to today's roundup. We'll start with the trashite. Bottle tops, ring pulls, cans, bits of chaff there. We're on to the iron. Blobs of iron, bars of iron, some little bits, a knife that was on the surface, that one, an indicator stalk, some more bits and bobs, big chunks of metal, little chunks of metal. That big chunk there, I don't know if it's off a plough or something, could be. And this pokery thing, yeah, I took Gaz with me today, and I said to him, "Oh Gaz, it's a mint server for serving mints." He were laughing. He fetched some strong mints with him, so I winded him up saying, "Do you want a mint?" And this bit here, I think that's off a ladder, because it's got a bit of copper inside, looks like a rung or something. More strips, more bits and blobs, bits and pieces, nails, pegs, 2 iron balls, a bit of alley of something or other that I don't quite know what, but maybe it's some sort of gas fitting or something, I don't know. Blobs, stainless steel nut. You always give it a good signal then. Some screws, nails, bits and bobs, and that's the junk item, trash height. We'll move on to the non-ferrous and good stuff. We'll start with the lead. We've got 5 chunks of lead. There's nothing on them, but that one there is quite heavy. It's pretty heavy little chunk, that. Some copper plate, copper pipe. This is non-ferrous. It's a white metal. I've scratched it on the wall outside. Just hang on a sec. Where's the scratch? I scratched it somewhere. Yeah, there, I've scratched it. Can you see it shining? It's not a brassy colour or anything like that, it's a white metal. Oh yeah, magnet don't stick to it, but it's got like a bevel down the middle. Something or other. A bit of mesh. 50, oh, not the 50p, we'll do that after. Some, I think that might be a 410 shell. That's the shell, the fiery bit, I think what the pin is. And this wadding, that was tightly bound around that, really tightly bound. Couldn't believe all that come off that, because it was up to the rim, like sort of flush to the rim. And when I wound it off, couldn't believe all that come off that little thing. I thought that was a musket ball, but on reflection I think it's like a deer shot, a deer slug. It's modern, it's too smooth I think to be a musket ball, and I think it's that safe shot that they use, like for fishing, them split shots that they use that are safe, lead free and all that lot. Right, we'll go here. We've got an animal tag. It's got a number on it. Numbers 55484, and it's by somebody called Frank Barnes and Sons, Birmingham. Probably common them, you probably know about them. This one, this is a funny little piece. It's copper. It's got a little ridge down the top of the middle there, that ridge, and it's got a patent number on it. I'll get a super macro shot because this macro ain't so clever on when you're filming. But yeah, patent number 256013, and it's got some other bits of numbers and letters on it. Maybe somebody knows what that's off. Where next? Oh, we'll go up here. We've got a spoon, and it's a Sheffield spoon. It says Sheffield on it. It says it's chromium silvered, chromium plate on nickel. I think it says silvered or silver, maybe nickel steel, nickel silver. Looks like silver, and it says Sheffield something. Yeah, that's that one. Then this one, I think that's the ball end of the handle. I got a handle the other day with some hallmarks on it. I think that's the ball end of it, but that was at the other end of the field, so who knows. Right, then we'll go here. We've got a padlock, an Anglo padlock. Yeah, Anglo. We've got a stainless steel one, modern. It's been battered, that, hasn't it? Just there to that. Then we'll go here. We've got another one of them tent pole covers. An exhaust lighter. That's pretty smart. Don't work though, but nice find out nevertheless. A little dainty buckle. Oops. A little dainty buckle. Looks like a lady's buckle. It's I'll try and get it on a cross section for you. Yeah, it's like sort of, you know, not level. Another buckle which I got today. Yeah, that's cool. And this buckle, this has got a picture on it of a house, and it's got something here. I'll super macro. It's got something here. I'll super macro it for you so you can have a better look. Looks like a clasp buckle because it's got a claspy bit there, and that's the hinge bit. It must hinge, you know, clasp or something. Where next? Right, we'll go to the coins. Got 15 coins in total today. Got a 50p modern one. Then we'll go to the half a piece. We've got a 1933 George 5 halfpenny. That can't make out the date on that one, George 5. Ship halfpenny, George the 6th, 1943. Elizabeth II, ship halfpenny 63. And then we've got, that's a nice one, Queen Victoria 1863 one penny. In 1906 one penny, Edward 7, 27, George 5, George 5 again. 1936 George 5 one penny, 1963 one penny, Liz 2. And then we've got a threepenny bit thrift 41. 1950 George the 6th 2 shilling. Yep, another 2 shilling there. We've got one of them smooth discs again, and the head's facing right. You can sort of make out a date on the other side, but to be honest it's hard to tell. A mate of mine said to me, he says, oh, if you're having trouble finding out, you know, the relief on the coins, he says just rub a pencil over the face and it'll fetch it up. I thought, yeah, that's a good idea. That I've not tried it yet, like, but that's a top idea. And probably my best find of the day was a bit of silver. A George the 5th 1922 1 shilling. Yeah, nice. I like that one. That's cool. Anyway, I'll get some super macro shots up for the close-ups right at the end, so you can have a good gander at them. But yeah, it's a good hunt today. Big thanks to Gaz. Gaz come with me. He had a do-want detector. He actually got a four coin spill in a hole. 4 coins in a hole. Yeah, he was like, oh, there must be another one. And there was. And he said that 3 more times, and yeah, he ended up with 4 coins out of 1 hole. So I'm like, no way, go on. He's beat my best coin spill. I've only ever had 2 in a hole, and he's got 4 now. So yeah, I was happy with that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Good luck and happy hunting. And I'll more than likely be out tomorrow because I can't leave my detector alone. It's good fun. So until I see you next time, probably tomorrow, I'll catch you later. Bye.